Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to remove language in Google Chrome. This is very simple but useful. Now let's start. First open Google Chrome, then tap on three-dot menu, then tap on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Languages. Now here you can see all of language you have available. See here, there are a individual three-dot menu for every language. Now tap on the button which language you want to delete. For example, I want to remove English Australia. Tap on it and then tap on remove. See here, the language is removed. See another. That's it. I hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you.